So hi guys, as you all got to know from the thumbnail, like what this video is going to be about. So for this very video or vlog, I will talk to you in English because of some particular reason. Let me tell you the reason. Because at first, and before, my thinking was like, even we don't need English really. We are good with our Hindi. Why should we learn that language? But when my curiosity to learn about the idea of life, what is life about, why we are here, what we are here for, what is the reason for us to be here, when like do really we come with any reason, or it's like a come and go process. So that philosophy, that psychology compelled me to do this, to learn the English language properly, because every text, every book is there in English language. If I want to communicate with a person, then I won't be able to communicate with them in their local language, the language which may possible they know is English only. So I learning, and what else I can say, like the philosophy that I know there are very good philosophers in India also, those whose text is mentioned in English also, but that will help me in a long run, because there are a lot of different studies available in English. There are a lot of studies, lot of research. So I just want to extend my repertoire. I want to learn. Yeah, I just really want to learn about what is life. Yeah. So, and I was not getting any topic to make a vlog because there is very warm weather out, and because of the head shave I'm not able to go anywhere and film any vlog where we can go and make content. So I'm making a day in my life. Let's go. So hi guys, I just woke up at 11:30, and I know it's not a good time to wake up, but what should I do? Yeah, I have ruined my sleep cycle. So firstly I'm cleaning my bed before leaving the room, and then I'll get freshen up. So guys, now I'm brushing my teeth, and you should also clean your tongue with a tongue cleaner, or you can use a brush like this. This comes with a little pattern in backwards. So like if you want to get rid of the bad mouth odor, so you should clean your tongue also. Now I'm brushing my teeth. So guys, now I'm having my breakfast at 12. I'm having bhindi, chapati and chai on my plate. So guys, just to stop my overthinking, anxiety and sometimes depression, I am trying to learn flute also. This is a C scale flute, middle scale. So like I'm learning this because I just want to extend my repertoire and I want to give myself a sense of validation and to stop the overthinking. So let me show you something. So guys, I'm going to get a printout of a photo and I will tell you about that. Just wait and watch. So guys, I'm a henna artist too. So I use these henna cones and I create so many different henna designs and portraits also. Portraits, that's why I went to take the printout. I will make a portrait with these cones with mehndi. And how it works, let me tell you. Like firstly we take out the printout, and then we trace that photo on a tattoo tracing paper, like a carbon paper. Then we apply some gel to trace that tracing on hands where we want to make the design or portrait. Then we use these henna cones to make that tracing come into life. So let me show you something. So guys, this is what I made. This is a photo of a transgender, and why I chose this I will tell you. So I chose a transgender, so I just searched transgender on Google and picked a random photo because I want people to have at least a basic idea what transgenderism is. It's a natural phenomenon, it's existing before our existence, and we just do like this is a choice, people are doing bullshit, this is a like modernization. It's not like that. uh, the text is mentioned in Ved, Puran, Gita. Like there are so many like people changing their genders. So it's like sometimes there is a war between a body and a soul. We are not fighting with the world, the society. We are fighting within ourselves. So I just want people to learn about that. It will help a lot of people in the society. Like there are so many children out there who are struggling in their own head. There is like they're not comfortable in telling people what they exactly feel. So it will help to help those children to come out and be safe around their own environment. So that's why I choose this. And now mama is serving lunch for all of us. Gaurav is there, Natasha is there, mama is there, and Ankit bhaiya is little bit ill, so he won't have. So there is dal, chawal and masala paratha. Golu, don't you want to eat? Don't talk to me like that. What? I love you, mama. Now we guys are just going to have a ride. Anir kanche ki bottle, you are so damn. So I don't know why we are waiting here. We're sitting on this footpath kind of thing, and he is just doing chat on Instagram. So guys, we had tea at 6. Now at 7 I'm doing Sham ki Aarti. So it goes. श्री सीताराम सरकार ने शक्ति महापार कर कर कथन सब कह चुके ना पाया पारावार. I'm going to vegetable shop to buy potatoes to make aloo ki sabzi because we are having nothing else. So here is the aloos. Now we all are having dinner. This is aloo ki sabzi, dal, chapati, and we have rice also. So guys, this was all about a day in my life. Now I'm going to sleep. Bye.